Good morning everyone. This is my second day here in Hobart, and I'm still here in this capsule hotel backpacker guest house. And it is raining at the moment. That's why I'm having this rain jacket. This is too big actually. They have a coffee making section here, but I prefer to have a coffee in the coffee shop. Yeah, the rain stops and it is already 1:45. So I'm walking around here and I'm going to the Salamanca market. I have nothing to buy in particular. Yeah, I just want to see different things. Also, I'm not going to eat because I just had my lunch in one of the restaurant in the shopping mall. So I'm just going to browsing. And because I saw a Filipino food shop yesterday. Oh, there's actually this kind of food event here. Nice. There's a look at that Filipino street food. There is also live music. Yeah, some people actually they are dancing. I'm actually tempted to eat, but I want to be sitting down, relax. So I believe there is also here. I'm not sure. If there is something that I like, it is going to be a cup like this. This is actually the biggest weekend market I've seen here in Australia. Yeah, every week also in Nelson Bay there is something like this, but not this much. And I believe in most of the town or cities here in Australia there's something like this, but yeah, this is the biggest I've seen. I'm actually a little bit tempted to get one of these. Yeah, I really like this one. Looking at it, it's not perfectly fit on me. That's why I did not get one. I like the color, I like the design, the materials, but the price and the fit is not really for me. I did not see the Filipino food truck, the one that I saw yesterday. This actually looks like going to rain again. Oh, I just bought a ticket to take the double-decker bus. The last trip, I'm going to take the last trip. 90 minutes around the city, valid for 24 hours. It means that if I do it today, I can also do it tomorrow until 3 o'clock. They actually have different package. Like $80 including this bus that is going to the Mount Wellington. Mount Wellington is at the back of this, very high up. Maybe I'm going to drive there.
As we turn right into St George's Terrace, we have a fantastic panoramic view of the suburbs. House prices start at $500,000 and run up to $2.5 million. The real estate agents describe it as having a village-like atmosphere, and yet it is only a 10-minute walk to the city. Retail therapy.
A normal one, yes?
After we have left.
No, I didn't know.
Of old Hobart town. Onto 3 stands of roadway came crashing down.
And I just get from the bus. Yeah, it was good. There are places that I want to get down, but yeah, that is actually the last trip. But I can actually do that again tomorrow before 3 o'clock. So in the morning I can do that. Hop on, hop off, look around. Yeah, there's actually really a lot of old houses and buildings. And most of these buildings, yeah, even in the other suburbs, the old buildings, most of them are become restaurant now, or gallery, or offices. Yeah, maybe some are residential, but yeah, I'm not really sure. We are going closer to the cruise ship. Yeah, the ship is Silver Nova. Inside of this, some kind of displays, maybe also a shop. Yeah, if you can see that one, antarctica.gov.au. So basically, there is kind of studies, Australian government, organization that is studying about Antarctica. Like this Tasmania is closer to Antarctica than it is closer to Darwin. In the future, I'm also going to try cruise ship. Not to work, but to be a cruiser. I mean, to be a passenger. Crossing the world. The water here is not as clean looking as the one in Sydney Harbour Bridge in Circular Quay. But beautiful still. The one in Sydney is actually color blue. This one is not. Or maybe because it is cloudy like this. Enough walking for today. I'm going to that Muir's Fish Center and I'm going to eat something. Not very hungry. I just want to see how it is inside. And because I want to see how it is inside, probably I'm going to eat something, even if I'm not hungry. Also, it's a little bit, there is a mist. Hopefully it's not going to be a rain. The cappuccino, the coffee is actually regular is $4.50 and large is $5.50. The cold drinks here are $7.90 and the ice cream $4.90 to $7.90. Yeah, this is how the street looks like. Today is Sunday, so there's no office and no works. That's why it looks very quiet. Yeah, Very quiet. The time now is already, what time is it? Still 7:48. It is 11 degrees Celsius at the moment, and so it is cold. Yeah, the wind breeze is actually a little bit harsh. Yeah, too cold for my feeling. In New South Wales, particularly in Nelson Bay and Newcastle, the temperature is probably over 20, probably 25, 26, especially later on in the afternoon, midday, maybe 26, 30 something. Walking in the middle of the road alone. No people here. Oh, yesterday I was browsing for a house, a property for sale, and yeah, 2 unit of that Best Western Hotel is actually for sale for investment. Yeah, it's just around 200,000 something dollars. Yeah. So basically, just for investment, you cannot stay. You can stay just for 4 days in a year. Yeah. So basically, what's going to happen is that if you buy that unit in that Best Western Hotel, the Best Western Hotel is going to rent you. I mean, they are going to rent the unit that you bought, and they will use that as a hotel room. And every month they will pay you for like a regular salary, like a regular income. In most parts of Australia, there is always like a traditional old buildings, old church like this. Yeah, this one is already modern, but yeah, looking at this side, especially this one, yeah, they look old and classic. Yeah, I just had my breakfast, and yeah, it's really cold actually. Yeah, it is summer here in Australia, but here in Hobart, yeah, summer is the temperature is like this. This temperature is actually winter in Dubai. Yeah, or winter in Sydney. Oh, I just got the car that I rented. It's over there. And yeah, I was driving and I reached this area in the higher part of Tasmania, of Hobart. Yeah, really looks good here. Residential in the mountain, and yeah, maybe this is a river or a sea, maybe a river. I stopped here just to take some pictures and video. Now I'm going back to the vehicle. Now that I have a car, I'm now going to buy things that I need. Yeah, like water, something to eat, and maybe a tent and a sleeping bag. Oh, look at this. They have a bitter melon here. Yeah, ampalaya in Filipino. It's a lot. Very nice. Oh, I get one of this apple. $4.50. I took one sourdough bread and I asked them to slice. And I am now here at the camping ground. This is actually at the top of the mountain. About 15 minutes drive coming from the city center of Hobart. Yeah. Good thing the road is concrete, but it's going up. Yeah, the guy I actually called the guy at the reception. Yeah, he told me that I should be here before 7, before the dark. Yeah, so it's still early. Sunset is actually at 8. Yeah, he told me to, because it is safer to come here during the daytime, because yeah, it's dangerous in the road going uphill. And it's a small, narrow road, just fit for two vehicle, two lane, two way. And at the moment there is just two cars and this car arriving. But there are more cars on the other side. Other side is a powered site. This area is unpowered. Yeah, I don't have my camper van. It's going to be so good if I have my camper van. But yeah, I will survive for sure. Eh, yeah, I actually have cooking materials. Like I have a mini stove, but I don't have the butane at the moment. I can buy in in the grocery. Yeah, I also have cooking equipment. Yeah, I also bought some stuff for sleeping bag. I bought a sleeping bag from Kmart, $65. Some food also. I am having this now. These instant noodles. On my first 2 days here in Hobart, I always eat in the restaurant. Yeah, 3 times to 4 times a day. Yeah, coffee shop, rice meal, Danish, brownies, coffee, fish and chips. Yo, good morning everyone. Yeah, so this is where I sleep. This is better than the Kia Picanto. Yeah, and regular SUV, they are able to plot like this, to have a space like this. This one is Nissan X-Trail. So I have this sleeping bag. I bought it $65 yesterday. Also this yoga mat, $5 from Kmart. So that's the back. Yeah, it's really flat. Yeah, you just need kind of a mat to make it really even.